Today's topic is based on anatomy and the topic is thorax and back. Visceral pleura is pain insensitive and develops from splanchnopleuric mesoderm. Normal narrowing in the middle of the esophagus is caused by left main stem bronchus. Right lower lobe secondary bronchus is most vertical, nearly continues in the direction of the trachea. Level of lower border of lung at mid axillary line is eighth rib. Bronchial arteries supply the bronchopulmonary tree till respiratory bronchioles. Surface making of oblique fissure of lung include fifth rib, sixth costal cartilage and T3. Structure which arches over the hilum of right lung is azygos vein. Structure which arches over the hilum of left lung is arc of aorta. Heart and pericardium. In case of chest pain with pericarditis and pericardial effusion, pain is referred by phrenic nerve. Base of heart is formed by left atrium at the level of T5 to T8. Koch's triangle boundaries: first, tricuspid valve ring; B. Coronary sinus; C. Tendon of Todaro. AV node lies at interatrial septum in Koch's triangle. The interior of right atrium is partially divided into two parts by crista terminalis. The SA node is in the wall of the right atrium, positioned roughly between a groove called the crista terminalis, located on the internal surface of the heart, and the corresponding sulcus terminalis on the external surface. Arterial supply. Right coronary artery supplies right atrium, right ventricle, part of left ventricle, part of left atrium, posterior one third of interventricular septum, SA node 65%, and AV bundle. Left coronary artery supplies most of left atrium and left ventricle, anterior two-thirds of ventricular septum, RBB, LBB, and SA node 35%. Anterior interventricular artery is a branch of left coronary artery. Koch's triangle has blood supply from right coronary artery. Artery which gives the posterior ventricular branch is the dominant artery in cardiac dominance. LAD, anterior interventricular artery, is most involved in thrombotic occlusion. In right cardiac dominance, posterior interventricular artery is a branch of right coronary artery in 90%. Venous drainage. Coronary sinus is guarded by Thevesian valve. Anterior cardiac vein directly opens in the right atrium. Tributaries of coronary sinus are great cardiac vein, middle cardiac vein, posterior vein of left ventricle, small cardiac vein, oblique vein of left atrium. Nerve supply. Sympathetic innervations of heart is T1 to T5. Surface making of the aortic valve is external end of left third costal cartilage. Surface making of the mitral valve is behind external end of left fourth costal cartilage. SA node is located at the right border of the ascending aorta. Mediastinal structures. Arc of aorta lies in the superior mediastinum. Heart with pericardium lies in the middle mediastinum. Ascending aorta lies in the middle and descending aorta lies in the posterior mediastinum. Right recurrent laryngeal nerve is not a content of superior mediastinum. Contents of posterior mediastinum include esophagus, descending aorta, azygos vein, and sympathetic trunk. Esophagus. Constrictions of esophagus are at C6, T3, T6, T10 vertebral levels. Distance of lower esophageal sphincter from upper incisors is 37.5 cm. Trachea extends from cricoid cartilage lower border to T4 lower border or T5 upper border. Thoracic duct. Thoracic duct does not drain right upper part of body. Tributaries of thoracic duct are first right and left lumbar trunk, second posterior mediastinal nodes, and third small intercostal lymph nodes. Additional tributaries include the left angular trunk, second left subclavian trunk, third left bronchomediastinal trunk. Blood vessels. Superior vena cava opens into right atrium at the level of T5. Left superior vena cava drains into coronary sinus. Arc of aorta begins and ends at T4 level. Hemiazygous vein crosses left to right at T8 level. Phrenic nerve. Right phrenic nerve is shorter and more vertical. Phrenic nerve is formed by anterior rami of C3, C4 and C5. C4 being a major contributor. Thank you. Subscribe my YouTube channel Doctor Entrance Exam.